Welcome to WebStylers. This is a simple way to implement dark mode in React.js. To do that, we need a trigger or button to trigger the theme switch. For that, I'll have a separate component in file toggle switch.jsx. Besides this file, our CSS is like this: root, body, button, class FA, and some more styles. These are CSS variables. Basically, we have defined colors in root for easy and dynamic access throughout styles file, like these: var pg color, color var text color for body element. Okay, toggle switch.jsx file. Toggle switch is taking two props, is on and handle toggle. The is on prop will be used to determine the state of the switch, on or off, and the handle toggle prop will be a function that will handle the toggle action when the switch is clicked. On or off are classes that will be applied on this toggle switch along with the class switch. And this is the handle toggle. On click, trigger this function handle toggle. Then we have got this div with the class knob. So this is pretty much our component. Main div with the switching class on off and a click handler. Then we have got a simple div inside it. Maybe I should not self close div. Okay, here we have got classes of switch, switch on, switch knob. So in our CSS file, this is switch with width and height, background color, border radius, display flex, basically to center the items. And if switch will have on class, then background color will change to green color. Knob is an inner div that will have these styles: width and height, background color, border radius 50%. Basically, it will be a circle and with some transition. And for the knob, when switch will have class on, then knob, that is this circle, will move to the right, positive X. And with the class off, circle will move to the left. And this is the switch container that will have switch outer div styles. Okay, so this is the design for this switch. Let's import it. Import toggle switch from components toggle switch.jsx. And then let's use it here. Switch container main div. Then we have got a div inside it with an icon. Then toggle switch component and then a div with icon. But as you may have guessed, here I forgot to export the component. That is why this page went blank. And this is the toggle that we've got with two icons. So it needs to act like a switch. So we will need state here. Let's import use state and then define a state here. Is on, set is on, initial value false. So toggle switch will have a click handler via prop handle toggle, on click handle toggle. Handle toggle will change its state. So we will need to create that function here. Handle toggle, set is on, not is on. And this change will be transferred here. Is on, off. So is on is being received here. And if it's true, then we are applying class on. And based on that, this toggler behaves like this. Nothing special, just wanted to show you a toggle switch design that we need for this example. I will also trigger that handle toggle function on click of this button. This is the button. Here we can apply same thing. On click handle toggle. So now button will also switch the theme. Okay, now this is working. But where is the actual dark theme switching? Let's create a state named as theme with initial value light. It will be light or dark. We can switch it in handle toggle function that we already have, like this. New theme will be dark if previous was light, and light if previous was dark. And then we did here something amazing. Document element, set attribute, data-theme, new theme. This theme name, light or dark. We are applying this custom attribute data-theme to HTML. with this value. That will be light or dark. Let's see. So this is the HTML tag. If I click at it, we have got this data theme equals dark. And if I click it again, then we have got light. If I click toggler, dark, light, dark, light. Okay, but nothing is happening here. That is because we haven't wrote CSS for dark theme. This is our CSS. So these colors are being applied for light theme, that is default theme. Colon root is the root level of document. It's not a root selector. It's a root level. In CSS root level, we have declared few variables for colors. This is a CSS variable with double dash. We have defined colors for background, for text, for button background, for button text, for icon color. We have called these variables here like this: var beige color, var text color, for button var btn beige color, btn text color, and then for icon var icon color. So these color values are coming from the root, from the variables declared or defined here. So we can define certain styles in root and use everywhere in CSS. These CSS variables make styles management easier in CSS. Okay, to make it dark theme, we can do something like this. Data dash theme dark. This is a custom attribute with the name theme and value dark. Data theme dark. And then inside it, we can use same variables defined in CSS root, but with different values. For example, here BG color was white, and here we have used BG color black. So this is our dark theme style that changes background color, text color, and icon color. Now we made toggler for the app that switches value of data theme custom attribute. Now when I switch the toggler, dark value is applied and the app switches to dark mode. As simple as that. And now button will also switch the theme from light to dark and dark to light. See this, data theme dark, now it's light. Basically these two things are being switched, either this or that. And you are not bound by the light and dark themes. You can change switch mechanism and have multiple themes inside CSS, like this green theme, this blue theme. And you see, if I change it from light to blue, it changes to blue, green. And we have catered body, text, button, and icon colors. You can add support for much more here. And this is how easy it is to toggle between light and dark theme in React.js. Let me know in comments if anything is confusing here. Main thing is you need variation by using CSS variables. And here you will need a switch or button to switch the theme, and then apply this custom attribute that will switch its value. As simple as that. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.